Hey, it's Bill with Immaculate Paint Protection. I'm standing here with Doug. Doug came back for his second Tesla Model Y, so I'm going to let Doug talk here.
Yeah. First one was black. Bill did a wonderful job on the black. It picked up fingerprints, so I bought a new one. I bought a white Y, and you can see, wonderful job again as usual.
So we did the paint protection film for you, Doug. What do you think about the paint protection film the first time and the second time here at Immaculate Paint Protection?
Yeah, it's great. I will probably be back as soon. I will be back as soon as I can get my money together for the ceramic. We'll have the whole car done in ceramic too. Like
yeah, that's a great point, Doug. So we always recommend doing the paint protection film first because that's going to stop the rock chips and the stone chips.
Right.
We want to protect the car when it's brand new, and if you want to get ceramic coating, like you said, you can come back in 6 months to a year, and we'll take care of you then.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks, Doug. Great service here at Immaculate Paint Protection.
Yes, sir.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you, Doug.